Look, XRP and altcoins are moving, but this is what happens next. Bitcoin is moving, Ethereum is moving, XRP is moving, and suddenly crypto investors are asking the question we hear every single time Bitcoin takes off. Is altcoin season coming? Before you start chasing green candles, there's something you need to understand about how these moves normally develop. Bitcoin typically gets the attention first. Capital moves into Bitcoin because it's the largest and most liquid cryptocurrency. Then investors begin looking further down the market for higher potential returns. Ethereum starts attracting attention. Major altcoins begin moving. And eventually, money can rotate into smaller assets. The rotation is what altcoin investors are watching right now. But this rally has another ingredient: regulation. President Trump is pushing Congress to advance the Clarity Act, which could create a clearer regulatory structure for digital assets in the United States. That is especially interesting for utility-focused cryptos like XRP, XLM, XDC, Chainlink, HBAR, Algorand, Quant, IOTA, Cardano, Coreum. These communities have spent years talking about institutional adoption, payments, tokenization, interoperability, and blockchain infrastructure. But institutional adoption requires more than technology. Institutions need rules. Banks need rules. Asset managers need rules. Public companies need rules. Nobody wants to deploy billions of dollars into an industry where regulators could suddenly change the interpretation of what is legal. That's why regulatory clarity could matter so much. But here's the warning. Do not assume every coin with a good narrative will automatically explode. Crypto markets can move extremely fast. We've seen it in the past. A coin can rise 20% and then give half of it back just as quickly. That's why I'm watching something more important than one green day. Follow through. Does Bitcoin continue holding strength? Does capital keep entering into Ethereum? Does XRP maintain its momentum after bouncing down to $1? Do altcoins begin outperforming Bitcoin consistently? And does trading volume stay elevated? Those signals would make the possibility of a broader altcoin rotation much more interesting. Because if Bitcoin stabilizes after a major move instead of immediately collapsing, traders often begin looking for opportunities elsewhere. And that is when altcoins can become extremely interesting. So here's tonight's question. If a major altcoin run starts, which crypto are you holding? XRP, XLM, XDC, Jasmy, Chainlink, HBAR, something else, Quant? Drop it in the comments, let me know. Subscribe to Crypto Talk now. I'm Larry. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.